Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Query Monitor plugin. This powerful, free tool is essential for any WordPress developer or site owner looking to understand their site's performance. To begin, simply install and activate Query Monitor from your WordPress dashboard, just like any other plugin. Once activated, you will immediately notice a new menu item in your admin toolbar, providing a quick overview of your page's performance. Once Query Monitor is active, you will see an overview in your admin toolbar, showing key metrics like page generation time and peak memory usage. Clicking this opens the full interface, revealing various panels. You can dive into detailed database queries, identifying any slow or duplicate ones. It also highlights PHP errors, warnings, and notices, complete with their call stacks, making debugging much simpler. Additionally, you can inspect HTTP API calls, scripts, styles, and even WordPress hooks. Query Monitor is excellent for optimizing your site's performance. Focus on the Queries by Component panel to see which plugins or themes are contributing most to your page load time. Look for queries taking more than 100 milliseconds or those that are duplicated many times. The HTTP API calls panel can reveal slow external requests. If you see a message about an external object cache not in use, consider implementing a persistent object cache like Redis or Memcached for significant speed improvements. For advanced debugging, remember to disable all caching on your development site to ensure Query Monitor provides real-time, accurate data. Pay attention to the Doing It Wrong and Deprecated panels, which highlight outdated code practices. The Environment panel offers crucial details about your server, PHP, and MySQL versions. Finally, while Query Monitor is invaluable for development, it does add a slight overhead. Therefore, it is best practice to deactivate it on live production websites to maintain optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.